Hello everyone, welcome to day 4 of 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a half double crochet. So here I have a foundation row of single crochets and I'm going to add 2 turning chains for my half double crochet. For half double crochet, the turning chain is 2. Now you yarn over before you insert and you're going to go into the third loop from your hook. So this is 1, 2 and 3. This is the third loop from your hook. You're going to go under the V right here. Okay, I'm going to show you where I've inserted. So this is the V. You have to go under the V. Okay, and pull out a loop. Again, you'll have 3 loops on your hook. You have to yarn over, pull out of all the 3 loops. Okay, again, yarn over, go under the V. Again yarn over, pull out of all the 3 loops. So this is our half double crochet. Do try this out and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another crochet stitch.